habits of excellence, habits of success, entrepreneurship, leadership and management, learning and development, and outlook, mindsets, attitudes. Hello world! Welcome to Ask Louie B. You ask the questions, I'll give the answers. Also, best to recap any previous information available, especially if you're meeting somebody for the first time and you gathered information from a different source. Make sure that you acknowledge whatever initial information or background information has been provided. This is Louie Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.